Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Netlify with AI for dynamic page generation, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Netlify homepage and create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, click on New Site from Git to start the deployment process. Connect your Git provider, such as GitHub or GitLab, to access your repositories. Select the repository that contains your project files. Configure the build settings for your project, ensuring the correct branch is selected. In the build command field, enter the command necessary to build your site, such as npm run build. Set the publish directory to the folder. After your site has been deployed, go to the site settings for further configurations. Now, navigate to the Functions section in Netlify to set up AI functionalities. Here, you can create serverless functions by clicking on New Function. In the code editor, write the logic for connecting to your chosen AI API. Be sure to include authentication headers if required by the API. Once your function is ready, click Save and Deploy to make it live. Next, access the site settings and find the Build and Deploy settings. Under Environment Variables, add any necessary API keys or configuration options. Now, go back to your main repository and modify the dynamic page that will utilize the AI function. In your code, make a call to your serverless function to fetch the AI-generated data. Ensure your application handles both successful and error responses gracefully. After implementing the changes, commit your modifications and push them to your repository. Netlify will automatically rebuild and deploy your site with the new functionality. Finally, test your deployed site to ensure dynamic page generation is functioning as expected. This completes your setup for configuring Netlify with AI for dynamic page generation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.